In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a DocuSign document. Printing your documents is often a necessary step, whether for personal records, legal requirements, or sharing with someone who prefers paper copies. Let's walk through the simple process together to ensure you get a clean printout without any hiccups. To begin, ensure you're on the editing page of your desired document within DocuSign. Navigating to this area is straightforward. Simply log into your DocuSign account, and you'll usually be directed to your dashboard where you can see all your documents. Select the one you wish to print, and you'll be in the right place to start. Now, once you've navigated to the document you want to print, it's just about finding the print icon. This icon is typically located towards the top of your screen. Clicking on it is your cue to start the printing process. It's represented like a small printer to make it easy to identify. An important aspect to note is that if the document you're dealing with is a PDF, clicking the print icon will seamlessly route you to Acrobat PDF. This is where the magic of printing happens. Adobe Acrobat is a comprehensive tool for handling PDFs, and it's integrated to ensure your document prints out perfectly, maintaining all the formatting and signatures intact. When you're in Acrobat, you'll notice another print option within the program. Simply click on the additional print button found in Acrobat, which usually resides at the top of the screen or within the File menu. This will bring up your printer settings. On this printing setup page, you'll have several options to adjust your print settings, like selecting the number of copies, choosing a specific page range if you don't need the whole document, and setting your page orientation, whether you want it portrait or landscape. Before you hit that final print button, it's good practice to do a quick review. Glance over the printer preview window to ensure everything looks right. This is your sneak peek to make sure the document is well aligned and contains all necessary elements like signatures, initials, or other field inputs. Catching any errors here can save you paper and time. Once everything looks perfect, you can confidently press that final print button. Your document will be on its way to the printer, and in just a few moments, you'll have a physical copy in your hands. This process is designed to be as intuitive as possible, combining the reliability of DocuSign and Acrobat to ensure your documents are printed just the way you want them. Following these steps should make printing from DocuSign a breeze. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.